Hey, welcome into our first ever vlog. So
Yes.
we're trying some new things here at Polynesian Pool and Spa. One of the things we wanted to talk about is you got a lot of choices out there. I'm Jim. I run the place.
Greg, retail manager.
So, this is kind of a self-promotional why Polynesian pool, right? What makes us different to the competition? Because you got lots of places you can buy hot tubs, you can get a pool installed, you can get saunas from. So we wanted to talk a little bit about how we approach things and what we do maybe a little bit different than others. Right?
Absolutely.
So we've both been here a couple years. We are still family-owned business, and that's one of our biggest kind of attractions is we are locally and family-owned and have been since 1971. What does that mean?
Means you can trust us for everything we do.
It's a family name. Not that a big box store is going to do anything wrong, but they just don't care, at least what we found, like we do.
Right.
About what we do. You mean something to us. It's a partnership. We talk about things where we want to be your pool partner for life, your spa partner for life. The average, unless you move, you install one pool.
Right.
Right? The average owner of a hot tub has it for
20 plus years.
So unless you move or decide to upgrade, or maybe you start with we talk in terms of Chevys, Buicks, and Cadillacs. Unless you get fancier, start with a more basic one and get some bells and whistles as your lifestyle changes. You typically have it for 20 years. So it's a relationship beyond just the purchase of a product. Anything else to add on that?
I just want to focus on what separates us the most, I think, would be our service.
Okay.
Our service department.
All right. That is an important thing to discuss too. I do want to point out, we do focus on product that's made right here, owned by Michigan companies,
Absolutely.
right? So our hot tub brands are Michigan-owned companies. Some of them are made right here in West Michigan. They by Viking spas. They're called Grand River. That's the line we carry. The manufacturer's Viking. Our other ones are
Caldera, which is a Michigan-owned company out of Livonia, Michigan.
Masco is the publicly traded company that's the parent company to them. So, and then the saunas we're bringing in are also, they're currently Sauna 360, but they were recently acquired by Masco. So it'll be also owned by a Michigan-based company. It's in transition period from Sauna 360 to a Watkin Wellness company.
Correct. And
Cool.
Don't forget about all the chemicals we sell too.
So
Made right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, Haviland.
Pro Team, right? Do they have another brand? Mainly Pro Team, right?
Mainly Pro Team is what we carry.
Okay.
High quality chemicals, less impurities that you would find in big box stores.
So let's have a conversation about that for a minute, Greg. We've been to chemical school and had training on this.
Yes.
I can always find it cheaper.
Of
But
course.
what happens with cheaper chemicals? They're not made to the same quality?
They have fillers, what they call fillers. So if you look at our product, for example, our chlorine is 99%. If you look at a box store, it's going to be a 92 or 93%, which means you're going to have fillers to fill that up, which also leave behind dissolved solids in your pool, which will throw off your chemical balance.
And one of the things that we approach with is, I shouldn't say approaches, the more effective we can put stuff into your hot tub or into your pool, it makes our job easier, which makes your job easier. And that's the whole point.
Exactly right.
So we go after, picking the best of the best as experts to make it so our customers are the most satisfied as possible. I don't want to say you get what you pay for, but there's a reason why it's cheaper. You can get it at Meijer's, you can get it from big box stores. Can't get it from Amazon because why is that?
They don't deliver chemicals anymore.
Can't. It's against, they don't have the license to carry like the hazmat materials within their trucks to get it to the end person. So There was a big hullabaloo a couple of years ago with that they had it available and they would just cancel orders on people because of that whole reason.
Right.
So the other benefit, right, with chemicals, we have water testing.
Free water testing right here in our store.
Computerized. I mean, you can do test strips. We have the test strips you can take home and use in your own pool or your own hot tub. but we also have it here where it uses computerized, and then it also shows them the results of the last test
Exactly.
when we give them the new test, so we can see how the water's moving from test to test. And even if you're using your own strips, it's probably a good idea once every, if you have bad water, once a month to bring it in for testing. If you have decent water, at least quarterly, just to make sure everything's good. And we'll have discussion points about when should you drain and fill your hot tub, or when should I change the water out type of scenario.
Right. And we can figure that out by the history of testing that we do. We have up to five tests that we'll have on our file. So your 5 last tests. So we know which way your water is going.
And, everybody can look up, Google's a powerful tool these day and age. So I can look up what my problems are and find all kinds of answers online. But the real question behind that is who's giving you the answer? What do they know? Right? They might say, yeah, do this. But if you go by the filler-based chemicals, you could be fighting this problem twice as long as you need to by talking to somebody like us.
And one of those big fillers we find in cheaper chemicals is phosphates, Jim. We found, here in West Michigan, we have phosphates in our water, which...
What does phosphates do? Let's explain that. If they don't
Yeah.
know, how do you know if you got phosphates?
Well, first of all, your water's probably going to be cloudy. The second factor is you can't hold your chlorine. So phosphates eat your chlorine and your chemical balance too. So, and it's in our water in West Michigan. It comes in environmentally. There's several different ways.
We have it right here when we fill our own hot
fill our
tubs.
hot tubs in, yes. And some of those, what I'm getting at, some of those cheaper chemicals have phosphates in it, and that's kind of a filler. So we try to stay away from those.
And how do we know this? Because we had a product that we carried that had it in it, and we didn't
correct.
realize it. So,
That is correct.
even us, it's a continuing learning process, always getting better, evolving, making ourselves smarter.
Yep.
And, as things in the marketplace change, we change with them. Like I said, we've made the decision to carry Grand Rapids product because we know the chemicals are probably the best that they're out there.
Absolutely.
All of this leads back to something you brought up a couple minutes ago about service setting us apart. This is an element of service to me. Having this conversation, us explaining this to people when you come and get your water test, when you're looking at chemicals, talking about chemicals, in a way, we're kind of servicing you to help you understand what it is you're buying and doing.
Agreed.
But beyond that, we actually have people that will come out and service their pool, service their hot tub, service, we don't have saunas yet. We will be servicing the saunas we do install as well.
Not only service, but repairs as well.
Right.
Repairing pools, hot tubs, all of it.
One of the things we do, especially when it comes to service, is you have a warranty on everything you buy,
Yes.
right? Hot tubs can have up to 5 years on heaters, pumps, the main mechanicals. They can have 10 years on the shell, sometimes lifetime unlimited warranty on the shell of the hot tub. Pools, typically the first year is on the construction. You actually get a 3rd-year warranty on our pool equipment because we're working with a certified shop. We happen to be Hayward right now. We've worked on Pen Air, we've worked on Raypack, but because when we do a new pool, we make all the pool equipment match. You get a 3rd year instead of 2. You get three from the manufacturer because you're working with somebody like Polynesian, who's a certified
technician,
authorized dealer, if you will, of them. They give you an extra year warranty. So the people that you install with are the people that you're going to rely on to support it over time. And we have people, since we've been around for 55 years, that we've been doing their pool stuff for, this is the 3rd house they bought with a pool, and we still do it for them.
Absolutely.
They're on their 2nd or 3rd hot tub now because it's time to upgrade type of scenario. So one of the things we always recommend is you check what before you buy.
Check what?
Service.
Yes, check their service department.
How easy is it to find
you.
them? How easy is it to find them? What do people say about them? Do they advertise that they service it? Type of the scenario. And I think, what we found is the local companies care about that a lot more than your big retailers. And I don't want to take anything away from the big retailers. Typically, you can probably leverage price a little bit with them, but you sacrifice in the quality of support.
And I think support is a huge thing because once you get either a pool, a hot tub, or even saunas upcoming, you're going to have us for the lifetime of that product that you buy.
And we even do some things like take extra steps to make sure you understand what you're buying, because we do what when you buy a new hot tub? Saltwater hot tub.
Saltwater hot tub, we will actually come out We'll give it a month and we'll come out within 30 days. It's we call the wellness check. So we check your chemicals, check your filter, make sure your system's running all right. If
Retrain you.
yes,
Yeah, because
You're
I mean,
gonna
we
have
know
some
when we're
questions.
delivering it, we're throwing a whole bunch of stuff at you, especially if you've never owned a hot tub.
Yes.
That you're just not going to retain. So that's why coming back out 30 days, I mean, it doesn't have to be exactly 30 days. We have people do it 60, 45. When it's convenient for you, we want to make sure that, you're getting what you wanted out of the hot tub wellness wise. You're not battling chemicals or can't figure it out. You understand how everything works so you can maximize that benefit you're getting from it.
Yes.
Because how much you utilize it is very important to how satisfied are you with your purchase.
Yes.
That'll be the same when we start doing saunas here as they come in within the next 4 weeks. Pools, it's the same thing. We do pool school at the end of the new pool build and explain everything to you. We also include a free closing the first year of your pool. So we show you how everything works. And we have a lot of people that do open and close their own pools, but we have a lot of people that say, hey, will you do it for me? And when we talk about services, then there's the people that I want to be hands off.
Yes.
I don't want to have to do anything to it. We had options for that, right?
Monthly packages on both pools and spas.
And that can be once a month, twice a month, every week if
Every
you
week.
want, depending on what your usage is and
Yeah.
how much you want to be hands off.
Especially depending on how much you use it. The more you use it, the more you're going to have some issues arise.
So, what else is important for know about Polynesian?
Well, we talked about service. We talked about top quality products.
It's my catchphrase. We don't ever want to have a customer say, I wish I would have known that before I.
Correct. Knowledgeable.
What does that mean?
We take you through the product and teach you about the product before you buy it. And with that, give you all of your options. So these are your options. Even if it's something that we don't carry, we'll try to educate on what else is out there and
We want you to buy what's best for you.
what's best for you.
Hopefully that we convince you it's one of the products we sell because we represent high quality product.
High quality product.
But in the case that it's not, we want you to understand what you're getting yourself into.
Right.
So it's not high pressure. It's not trying to close you before you get out the door. We're more concerned with, do you know everything you want to know?
Yes.
Have you made the best decision for you? We even go to the standpoint, get in the tub.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
And even then, hey, come back with your swimsuit on and do what?
The wet test. We call
If
it a
you-
wet test. Get in the hot tub.
If that's what's going to help you understand if this is the right tub for you, it's a purchase you're going to have for 20 years. So
Right.
you want to buy the right thing. And that's where a lot of things also change. When you buy a car, most people 3, 5, 7 years tops. This is a 20-year purchase. So maybe spending $2,000 more to get more jets or the salt system or the self-monitoring or the app control would be worth it because it's not something you're going to turn in 3 or 5 years.
Right.
It's a 20-year type of purchase.
Well, that's what we're talking about. Buying a hot tub or a spa or a sauna, swim spas, that should be exciting. That should not be stressful.
Yes.
Right. That's what we're selling, wellness. It should be exciting for what you want for your backyard.
Should not be a frustrating experience.
Exactly.
And we'll even come out and do a home visit if we need to.
Yeah. Which
Look at your space, do measurements, make sure the electrical fit where it is. One of the biggest things is all the equipment connects up underneath the control pad. That's where we get into. So that has to be accessible to us for years. So what is the lounge seat looking at? Might be determining factor with what tub you buy.
depending on the configuration of the hot tub.
Correct.
Absolutely.
Little things that make the difference to how satisfied you are with your purchase.
Agreed.
You got anything to add?
I don't. I think we covered a lot of stuff here.
So, a trusted family-owned West Michigan business, quality products that are Michigan-owned, Michigan-made, chemicals, hot tubs, will be the saunas. 50 years of history,
Yes.
pool and spa service.
Yes.
We have multiple vehicles on the road. We train our techs. They actually, have programs we put them through to expand their knowledge the longer they're here. And then, an experienced, knowledgeable team with people that have been here for 29 years to people that have been here 29 days
Right.
to make everybody.
With ongoing training.
And if we don't know the answer, because they're maybe a newer person, we'll get you the answer because we want you to be comfortable with working with Polynesian. So why us? There you go. Thanks, Greg.
You have it. Thanks, Jim.
Thanks to our videographer, Jordan, who's one of our retail salespeople. And thank you for watching.